What is up, YouTube? And for today, I'm going to show you a really cool mode called the Lucky Block mode. Let's just open. I'm on creative because I don't want to get died. I want this to be fast. Okay, full set. Actually, I'm going to lower those so you can see. See, tools. Okay, what's this? Another tools. That's nice. Gunpowder. Unlucky. Unlucky again. Kinda lucky. Unlucky. Actually, if see it spawn monsters sometimes, so be careful if you're in survival. Ooh, emeralds. That's nice. Actually, you get apples. My apples. Diamond. Diamond. Full set of diamond. That's really nice. Okay, this is the other one. That original from PC. It will full sense. Yep. I'm sorry if my videos are too fast. I don't have the Pro Screen Pro. I only have the demo. So please subscribe to my video. Sorry, but I'm going to end this video. I'm really sorry, but you can see the lucky blocks. Actually, let's have some fun first. Let's blow this up. Woo. Okay. If you like my video, do subscribe to my video or like my video or comment below. And I have one question. Go down, please comment below and say what is it. Sometimes in PC version I see some guy, but I'm in single player. I don't know who he is, but it's really creepy. He had kind of white eyes, but I don't know who is he. Please do comment below and tell me who is he. And please subscribe to my video or like my video if you do like this Lucky Block mode, and you subscribe to my video. Bye.